Hey Colette, this is a tutorial on how you're going to use your beauty blog on your website. Click on the URL we provide you with to log into WordPress. Once you log into WordPress, you'll be presented with your dashboard. All of the posts that are within the beauty blog are located under the left-hand sidebar under All Posts. After you click that, you'll see the posts that are available on this page. If I want to add a new post, I'll simply click Add New, give the post a title. And then within this visual composer, I can write the article that I want to post to the website. Continuing to scroll down, I can add a featured image for the post. Through the media library, you're able to upload files from your desktop or use an existing photo within the media library. Once it's been uploaded, you'll click Publish. Going back to the public side of the website, you can re-click on the beauty blog. This will show your beauty blog post that you've put into the website. If you don't want the image to be full width like this, then all you have to do is remove the featured image from the featured image square and add an image within here. Same thing, add media. I can click on an image, insert to post. You'll also notice if you click on the image, you can align left, center, right, whatever you'd like. I usually align left so it wraps around the image. Click Update. Go back to the public side of the site, refresh the page, and then instead of a full width image for that blog post, you'll just have a simple square like that matches the other ones. So that's a tutorial on how to add posts to your beauty blog page. Since I showed this as an example, I'll go back here and I can quick edit this and unpublish the page. So I'll just set it to pending review so you can see it as an example when you log into WordPress. If I go back to the page and refresh, you'll see that has been taken down. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions. We're happy to help in any way we can.